How to add multitrack editing in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where multitrack editing is most effective. Make sure your media files are already imported into the media pool. Next, drag your first video or audio clip onto the timeline. Then, to add a second track, right-click on the track header area and select Add Track for either audio or video, depending on what you need. You can add as many tracks as needed to organize different angles, sound effect, voiceovers, or background music. After that, start placing your additional clips on the new track. Each track can be edited individually, allowing for precise trimming, fading, and transitions without affecting the other layers. Now, use the tools in the inspector panel to adjust volume labels, position clips, or apply effects to specific tracks. You can also mute or solo tracks by clicking the M or S buttons on the track controls, which is especially useful during detailed editing session. If your clips aren't syncing perfectly, manually align them by zooming into the timeline for frame-by-frame accuracy. Finally, don't forget to name your tracks if you are working on a large project. This keeps everything tidy and easier to manage later on. And that's it. Now you know how to add multitrack editing in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.